We can see that customers still want to talk to a human. That has not changed, but the way they communicate is changing. So people are shifting more and more towards social media, and people still want to do phone calls as well, but there are all these different mediums of communication that people want to use, and you need to go to where your customers are. When we actually looked at the data, when we're tracking all of these important actions for the business, so the blurred out keywords in the upper left, those are their top converting keywords. So this is data that we pull from Google. And then we have a spreadsheet where we calculate all of the seasonal budgets. And then that way we're not guessing. And I know you guys know your businesses very well. You know when your busy season and slow seasons are. But if you can get actual data and pull those numbers of when people are actively searching, you can do it right down to the dollar where it makes the most sense to be spending your money. So we can connect your potential customers with you far more strategically and cost effectively than in the past. We're using your marketing dollars, your advertising dollars very wisely, and we can track everything and stop wasting money on things that are just burning your cash, and actually shift that to what is very effective for you.